In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new account on Binance. So once you've downloaded the application, just open it like this and you have the option to create an account with your email, or you can just go ahead and do that with your Google or Apple account, whichever one works best for you. So I'm just going to go ahead and create with my Google account. So I'm going to click on continue with Google. So as you can see, I just selected my Google account and gave permission. When you're done doing that, just click on continue. If you have an inviter, you can just click on yes. If not, you can just click on no and click on next. As you can see, your account has been created. So it's time for verification. You just need to include your residence and your supporting documents. So just go ahead and do that and click on continue. So when you choose the document you would like to use for verification, just go ahead and upload the image or just take a picture of the image. When you choose which option, just click on continue. So after verifying your document, it's time to do your liveness check. All you need to do is place your face right in front of the camera and do a procedure similar to creating a face ID for Apple. You're just going to rotate your face and capture your face for your liveness check. After your liveness check, all you need to do is confirm your personal information and then click on continue. So when you're done confirming and editing your personal details, you're going to see this screen right here telling you that your account creation is under review. So this is going to take you about 15 minutes. And later on, you can just verify your email to check for the update on your account creation.